How's everyone doing? This is Tino, and in this short video we're going to be learning what we call second conditional in English. It's very simple, don't worry, okay? So remember, second conditional, we use it to talk about imaginary or hypothetical situations. What do I mean? Situations that you are imagining, right? Like, for example, if I had a lot of money, I would buy a house. If I had, simple past, if I had a lot of money, I would buy a house. What is the reality? I don't have a lot of money, so I am imagining, okay? I am just imagining stuff. So if you had a lot of money, what would you buy? Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Have a great Wednesday. Today is the belly of the week. Yes, once again, it's Wednesday. Enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.